Sodium absorbs the heat produced in the reactor. This extremely hot sodium is then passed into the coil of the heat exchanger H containing water. Water absorbs heat from hot sodium and boils to form steam. The hot steam at high pressure is introduced into a turbine chamber C having a turbine T. The pressure of steam makes the turbine rotate. The shaft S of turbine is connected to a generator G. When the turbine rotates, its shaft also rotates and drives the generator. The generator produces electricity. The spent steam coming out from the turbine chamber is passed through a condenser D. The condenser cools the spent steam to form water. This water is again sent to the heat exchanger for forming fresh steam.
Nuclear power plants in India. These nuclear power plants are located at Tarapur in Maharashtra, Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Kaprapur in Gujarat, and Kaiga in Karnataka. Nuclear bomb or atom bomb. The highly destructive nuclear bomb or atom bomb is based on the nuclear fission reactions of uranium-235 or plutonium-239. The atom bombs based on the fission of uranium-235 and plutonium-239 were dropped on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki respectively in 1945 during the Second World War. Both these atom bombs caused a great loss of human life and property. Einstein's mass-energy relation. Einstein said that mass and energy are equivalent and are related by the equation E is equal to mc square, where E is the amount of energy produced if mass m is destroyed and c is the speed of light in vacuum. Energy units for expressing nuclear energy. 1 electron volt is the amount of energy acquired by an electron having a charge of 1.602 into 10 to 19 coulombs when accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. 1 eV is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power 19. 1 eV is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 J. 1 MeV is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 13 J. The value of atomic mass unit in terms of energy. 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.429 into 10 to the power minus 10 joule. 1 U is equal to 1.4292 into 10 to the power minus 10 joule. 1 U is equal to 931 MeV. Nuclear fusion. The process in which two nuclei of light elements like that of hydrogen combine to form a heavy nucleus like that of helium is called nuclear fusion. The conditions need for carrying out nuclear fusion process are millions of degree of temperature and millions of pascals of pressure. Two deuterium atom reacts with each other and gives rise to one helium atom, that is heavy atom, and neutron plus tremendous amount of energy. A fusion process is just the opposite of fission process. The energy produced during nuclear fusion has not been controlled so far. Hydrogen bomb. The hydrogen bomb consists of heavy isotopes of hydrogen called deuterium and tritium, and along with an element lithium-6. The detonation or explosion of hydrogen bomb is done by using an atom bomb based on the fission of uranium-235 or plutonium-239. The sources of sun's energy. The sun, which gives us heat and light, derives its energy from the fusion of hydrogen nuclei into helium nuclei, which is going on inside it all the time. In 4 molecules of hydrogen nuclei, the nuclear fusion takes place inside the sun, which gives rise to one helium nucleus and 2 positrons plus tremendous amount of energy. Nuclear fusion reactions of hydrogen are the source of sun's energy. Stars also obtain their energy from the nuclear fusion reactions of hydrogen. An advantage of nuclear fusion reactions over nuclear fission for producing electricity is that the amount of energy released in a fusion reaction is much more than that liberated in a fission reaction. The biggest disadvantage of a nuclear fusion reaction is that it has not been possible to have a controlled fusion reaction so far, and to safely use the enormous heat produced during this reaction for the production of electricity, of nuclear energy. It produces a large amount of useful energy from a very small amount of a nuclear fuel like uranium-235. Once the nuclear fuel like uranium-235 is loaded into the reactor, the nuclear power plant can go on producing electricity for 2 to 3 years at a stretch. There is no need for putting in nuclear fuel again. Advantages of nuclear energy. The waste products of nuclear reactions produced at nuclear power plants are radioactive, which keep on emitting harmful nuclear radiations for thousands of years. There is the risk of accident